Unraveling the meaning of swaddle. Hey, language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the word swaddle. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, its origins, and how to use it in sentences. Stay tuned. Swaddle is primarily a verb, which means to wrap someone, especially a baby, in garments or cloth, tightly. This is often done to restrict movement or to keep the person warm. Just imagine wrapping a burrito. That's how babies look when they are swaddled. Key takeaway: swaddling is a method to snugly wrap up, often for comfort or warmth. The word swaddle dates back to Middle English and has its roots in the Old English word swaddle, which referred to a bandage or wrapping cloth. This act of wrapping has been practiced for centuries, especially with newborns, to mimic the security of the womb. Remember, knowing the origins of words can make them easier to remember and understand. To truly grasp any word, it's essential to see it in action. Let's explore some examples. 1. The nurse showed the new mother how to swaddle her baby properly. 2. Swaddled in a blanket, the baby slept soundly through the night. 3. It was so cold that I felt like swaddling myself in all the blankets I could find. Practice tip: try making your own sentences with swaddle to get comfortable using it. And there we have it. Swaddle is not just a word but a practice that has comforted countless babies throughout the ages. We hope you've enjoyed learning about it as much as we did explaining it. Keep swaddling your vocabulary with new words, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers!